Alright, good morning guys. It's Sunday morning. Didn't feel much setting up the tent. We kind of just got in and got the Lock 26, the top of it, set up, had some dinner, and then pretty much just had a couple beers and then ended up going to sleep. It gets dark now by like 9, so anyway, it's the next day. We're all packed up. That's where we kind of stayed right there. You can see the lock is just right there. So now we're going to head back out that way and make our way all the way home. That's either a squirrel or a ferret. I can't tell. That thing's making its way across the river. I don't know if it's going to show up in the video. If it doesn't, there was a little animal there. Anyways, we're still making our way back. It's a beautiful early morning. Sun's up. Not too much wind yet, so a great morning on the water. No boats, as you can see. So even better. So we're just making our way to our first lock of the day. Guys, coming up to the first lock of the day. Still think we're a tad bit early, so we're just gonna ruck up on shore for a second, see if there's anything to maybe go grab a coffee or something like that somewhere, and then we'll continue on our trip. Alright guys, well we just stopped again at our first lock here, so we got out just to do a little walk around, and there's the dam that's making us go through a lock. And they've got this nice bridge here. And then you can see over here the road bridge. Alright guys, well we made it through lock 27. And now we're just on our way, heading out for the day. Coming into our next lock, this one was pretty full. And there's water leaking out. This one's gonna be a full lock, so. I don't think did you go have a video? No. This is why you carry a knife for it. You just
I'll cut my leg off if we get stuck together.
Alright guys, just coming up to our next lock on our way back. This one's just a quick one. It's probably about 5 feet of depth change. It looks like there's a load of boats in there right now, so we'll have to wait a couple minutes for that to come out. Say hi! Oh, he said hello! He looks like he's on an Arctic mission. He will not want me to put that in. let's see what, well, I keep saying let's see what we get up to, but we're on Sea-Doos and we're going through locks. That's what we're up to. So. Alright guys, we're just in Buckhorn right now, and this was Main Street Landing. This is where we stopped and had dinner last night on our trip here. Pretty good food, I won't lie. I had like a hamburger and stuff like that, and it was delicious. We just tied up to the dock just right here, and like I said, they got a nice patio there, so not a bad time. Alright, we're making our way. Our next one should be somewhere near Bobcaygeon, so we'll catch you up with that, okay? Alright guys, so we just ripped across Sturgeon Lake. Got a bit of wind up there, so didn't really film that too much. But now we're just coming in to Fenelon Falls here, so I'm just going to give you a little time lapse of that so you can see us coming in and through these falls. It's pretty cool. Alright, well, not through the falls, through the lock. But anyways, you know what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so we're now in the Lakefield lift lock. We're about to go down and stuff like that, so you can see that's down. That's that way. That's behind us, so let's see what we got here. Pretty cool though. Alright guys, well we made it back where we started. The adventure has come to an end, so I just want to say thanks for watching these videos. Appreciate it. Please make sure you put a like on this. Make sure that you subscribe so I know that you guys are out there. You know, and we'll just keep on making as many videos this summer as we can. Appreciate you guys for all the support that you've been giving. So I really thank you for that. And like I said, just hopefully get some more videos out there. So until the next video, you know, ride safe out there, be safe on the water, have a great time, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace! That's it. We done. All right. Turn this off and figure out how to load up the truck. Look, there's a Christmas tree in this dog. Hilarious. Alrighty. Without falling out, let's get off this thing.